Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walkthrough tour of our 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLA 200D we have new in stock. This is a ULEZ compliant Euro 6 diesel vehicle, and I'm just going to walk you through some of the specification features on the car. Starting with the exterior, you can see you have the Cosmos black metallic paintwork. This example does come with the Premium Plus pack, which gets you a few extra features throughout the interior, as well as the high-performance LED headlamps on the outside with the Adaptive Highbeam Assist. You get the Keyless Go Comfort Pack, including keyless entry, the keyless start function, the panoramic glass sunroof with the sunroof visible above, ambient lighting with a choice of 12 different colours, the automatically dimming rear view mirror, 4-way lumbar control, electrically adjustable exterior mirrors, the parking pilot including the reversing camera and front and rear parking sensors. And some of your standard features include the AMG design interior trim with the AMG steering wheel, the AMG exterior body styling with the unique front and rear bumpers, LED tail lights, LED daytime running lights and the 19-inch AMG design alloy wheels. And as you can see, you've got plenty of boot space available in the rear as well. If you'd like to know any more information about this car, would like to book a viewing or a test drive, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end or inquire through our website.